Trouble seems to be mounting for CPM MLA Mukesh. The CPM MLA has been booked at yet another assault case. We are learning this case has been registered against the actor MLA Mukesh in Thrissur. Earlier, we do understand on 29th August, the Kerala police had registered a case of rape against actor and CPM MLA Mukesh after a complaint was filed from a fellow female actor. The incident had allegedly taken place in 2013. And also, we do understand the CPIM so far has refused to sack Mukesh, and the highest decision-making body of the CPIM's Kerala unit that had met in Thiruvananthapuram for about 2 days had recently said that no action will be taken against Mukesh. He need not quit as a legislator. These are only charges that have been framed against him. My colleague Ishika is now joining us on the broadcast. She is getting us more details about this case now that has been registered against MLA Mukesh. Ishika, what more do we know? Yet another case now that has been registered against Mukesh.
Well, yes, in fact, Kitty, as you rightly mentioned, the trouble continues to mount for MLA Mukesh. Yet another case, in fact, that has been registered against Mukesh, and this time the complainant has alleged that Mukesh, in fact, had behaved in an inappropriate manner at a hotel in Thrissur. Remember that this case is, in fact, also has been filed in Thrissur. Now, as per the complainant, allegedly this entire incident took place in 2011. So the complaint has now been lodged, and in fact, what we are expecting next from the police is that Mukesh is likely to be summoned soon. Now, the police sources certainly say that they are going to consult with the SIT and then take the further steps. Remember, it is the SIT that has been formed by the state government that is investigating this entire matter. But we are seeing, yesterday also the police team had reached his house in Kochi with another complainant, and then in fact they had tried to recreate the scene and take evidence. So certainly another case that is in fact now slapped on MLA Mukesh. So certainly trouble continues to mount for him. The government, however, remember that they are not going to ask for his resignation, but certainly now the voices that demand Mukesh resignation will certainly increase. The agitation we are expecting on the streets of Kerala are going to intensify after this.